Hello, I hope you're having a great day. So I have had a very busy day. It's actually late into the evening. It's about 6 o'clock, and I thought I would just give you a quick update. So I got up at about 4 a.m. and I got out to the farm and I started putting together buckets for a floral designer, and then I put my buckets together for my florist. And then I harvested a whole bunch of flowers and added like zinnias and things like that I just harvested into the buckets. And then I went and delivered those. And then when I got back, I made all of my bouquets for my bouquet subscriptions. Plus I had a bouquet order come in throughout the day, so I made that. So I'm going to put those up on the screen because that was the majority of my day. I made those bouquets and then I delivered them all, and then I came back out and I cleaned all of my buckets and I cleaned up all of my mess because tomorrow I have all of the farmer market bouquets to make. So it was a really busy day. Sorry I'm not getting a lot of footage lately. It's just a day on the life of a flower farmer. There's not a whole lot of time to get a lot of footage when it's just me, and I need to get a lot of things done to get my customers happy because they're the ones that are paying the bills and might buy me a tractor someday. So anyway, I'm working towards that tractor, and I worked my butt off today and I'm ready to get home and get something to eat. I didn't even make it home today for lunch, so it's been a really busy day, but I did eat. I had some granola bars in the car, so don't worry, I was safe. But anyway, that was what I did today, and tomorrow will be another day of harvesting and making bouquets. If I can, I'll get footage. Otherwise, I'll take the pictures and put them to music. I think that's just as enjoyable. You can see what I'm doing. I think a lot of people know how to strip flowers and, you know, take the leaves off. And if you look at my bouquets, you could always pause it if you liked one and just kind of see what I used or ask questions on what I used, and I'd be happy to answer them. A lot of times I use Cosmos. I did use some Dusty Miller today, so that was fun. I hadn't used it before. I used a lot of Lisianthus and Snapdragons. I just get such good reviews on them lasting in the vase so much longer than everything else. So that was my day in a nutshell. I hope everybody has a great day. Oh, I did use a lot of sunflowers, but then a lot of times the people come back and they're like, it's too bad sunflowers don't last longer. And I'm like, I know, like they just don't last as long as like Lisianthus and Snapdragons. Like some of those go for 10 days or more. So, you know, it is what it is, but they are beautiful. So I did make some sunflower bouquets today because they are just a pop of just happiness on a counter or something. Anyway, I hope you enjoy these bouquets, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.